Nobody teaches us how to survive those days when life gets too harsh on you or it gets too difficult to just get through. We know how to celebrate good days, we know how to chase our dreams, but we don't know what to do when just existing becomes difficult. First, what we need to do is accept that today is absolutely a normal day. If we have good days, then we will definitely have some bad days also, and we will overcome them like we always did. And these days are not for peaking our performance. These days are just to survive, just to get through. Take one step at a time. You don't need to figure out your whole life right now. If you're not at your best, how can you climb the Everest right now? Because our brain, it's expert in going from one problem to another, from eating problem to sleeping problem, from sleeping to study problem, and from studying whatnot, career and family issues and whatnot. But what we need to do to put our brain at ease right now is just select one task, one thing that you can do, very simple thing, one thing that you can do that will put you at ease, that will soothe your body right now. It can be as easy as taking a warm shower right now, or if it's summer, I won't suggest that, or eating your favorite food, ordering from your favorite restaurant, or talking to your friend, talking to your best friend, or your partner, or your family, watching your favorite movie. It could be a very simple step, but it will make a huge difference. This action will show that you respect yourself. It will be a big action of self love that you are taking actions towards making yourself feel better. And after doing that thing, you will realize how things have actually changed, how things have magically changed. But what you did was you took just simple one decision that changed your entire mood. It won't solve all your problem, but it might lift you up. It might lift you up. If it might give you that comfort which you need right now. Next, reduce your expectation but not your self-worth. You are allowed to take a day off today. You are allowed to take rest today. Nobody is judging you for doing less. Why? Because it doesn't make you a less capable person. You are just doing things with all the energy you have. If you don't have the energy right now, how can you achieve Everest today? How can you climb the Everest today? Which brings me to the next point, which is very important. Don't isolate yourself. I understand you don't want someone to give you some advice, you should do this, you should do that. No, I understand that things are already very heavy and you don't want to bombard yourself with more information. No, I understand that. But what you can do is just let someone know that you're feeling in a certain way, you're not feeling right, and whatever is going in your mind, because it's always better to have someone to just talk it out, to just speak our heart out. It's always better to feel that someone is there to listen us. And it doesn't matter if they will be able to solve our problems or not, but it's always better to have someone who's just there. It just gives you a sense of comfort. It just gives you a sense of comfort that you're not alone in this. You have your people. And most important, always believe that things will change. Things will change for better. Remember how you get through the hard times. You will get through this again. Because there is nothing is permanent in this world. Nothing is permanent in this world. Neither neither happiness nor sorrow. Nothing. And give yourself the the feeling that it's okay to be not okay today. It's okay to take a rest. Because what goes around in the outside world doesn't make a difference. But what goes around here inside will make a lot, will make a big difference. Will make a huge difference for you. So please, whatever you're going through, I wish the hardship ends soon and you you smile back again.